the team is impressed here, guys. The team just walked through and went bananas over this place. It is very cool. 1.1 million. Oh, who's getting arty with their photos, Badan? Stunning kitchen. It just feels like quality. It's first floor. It's north facing. It's a fairly new building, but everything just feels super high quality in this place. Built probably about 10 or 15 years ago. Um, Built well, double brick, and feels good. Great floor plan. Big rooms all around. It's not a floor plan I'm used to seeing. It's got like the entry vestibule. Guys, what do you think?
10 out of
One
10.
word.
10 out of 10.
That's not a word. One word.
Gorgeous.
One word.
Killer.
One word for this apartment, Glenn.
Trademark.
One word. It's your brand.
Impressive.
Hey, Jono, what's one word?
Fantastic.
There you
How
go.
many followers do you have?
Guys, everyone
now?
seriously is impressed.
Glenn's follow.
How many do you got?
Such a good unit. If you're keen, let us know. We'll get you through. Love you. See you. Bye.